Chapter 13. Journey to Space and the Moon. Stepping up. Going into space, step on the moon, astronomers and their tools. Children, today I will tell you some amazing facts about space. What is space, ma'am? Well, anyone in the class answer this question? Ma'am, I think a continuous area or expanse which is free, available, or unoccupied. Good attempt, Rohan. Actually, space is the vast empty area high up in the sky. Ma'am, what does astronauts eat in space? Well, astronauts eat 3 meals a day: breakfast, lunch and dinner. Nutritionists ensure the food astronauts eat provides them with a balanced supply of vitamins and minerals. An astronaut can choose from many types of foods such as fruits, nuts, peanut butter, chicken, seafood, candy, etc. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of air which is several kilometers thick. It is called the atmosphere. Beyond the atmosphere is the never-ending zone called space. The conditions in space are very tough. In space there is no air to breathe. The temperature is extremely low. Also, in space, one cannot feel one's own weight. On Earth, we feel our weight because of a great force of Earth called gravity. This force attracts and holds the things on Earth from falling into space. But in space there is no gravity and so things have no weight. Human beings have developed special vehicles called spacecrafts to travel in space. People who travel in space are known as astronauts. They wear special spacesuits which provide oxygen, temperature control and protection from harmful rays. They carry many machines with them to carry out experiments. Did you know? A space traveler is called an astronaut in English, but a cosmonaut in Russian and a taikonaut in Chinese. Fun time. Which of the following things will you need if you want to go to the moon? First man in space. In 1961, Russian cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin became the first man to travel into space. His spaceship was called Vostokhy. First man on the moon. American astronaut Neil Armstrong became the first person to set foot on the moon on 20th July 1969 when his spacecraft Apollo 11 landed on the moon. First Indian in space. On 2nd April 1984, squadron leader Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian to go to space. He went to space in a Russian spacecraft Soyuz T-11. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian-born woman to go into space. She went to space in the Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997. She went into space again in 2003 in the same space shuttle. But she died when her space shuttle crashed on 1st February 2003 just before landing on the return journey. Sunita Williams was the second woman of Indian origin to go to space. She stayed in space for 194 days. India on moon. India's first mission to moon, Chandrayaan-1 was launched successfully on 22nd October 2008 from Sriharikota. On 14th November 2008 it placed the Indian flag on the moon when an instrument from the spacecraft, with the Indian flag painted on its sides, landed on the moon. Astronomers and their tools. Astronomers are the people who study about heavenly bodies such as the stars, the planets and the moons. Aryabhatta, Varamihir and Bhaskar are famous Indian astronomers. Astronomers primarily use an instrument called telescope. A telescope helps to see distant bodies. Let us say it again. Space is beyond the layer of air that surrounds the Earth. People who travel to space are called astronauts. Yuri Gagarin became the first man to travel into space. American astronaut Neil Armstrong became the first person to set foot on the moon. Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian to go to space. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian-born woman to go into space. India's first mission to moon, Chandrayaan launched successfully on 22nd October 2008 from Sriharikota. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. The layer of air surrounding the Earth is called A. Atmosphere. B. Space. C. Gravity. 2. The region outside the atmosphere of Earth is called A. Spacecraft. B. Space. C. Gravity. 3. The force of Earth which holds the things on its surface is called A. Instrument. B. Gravity. C. Machine. 4. A special vehicle to travel in space is called A. Astronaut. B. Spacecraft. C. Instrument. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. Beyond the atmosphere is the never-ending zone called 2. People who travel to space are known as 3. The first man to land on moon was 4. The first Indian to go to space was C. Give one word for these. 1. A space vehicle. 2. A Russian space traveler. 3. The space shuttle in which Kalpana Chawla went to space. 4. A tool or machine used for special work. D. Answer these questions. 1. Or what is space? 2. Or what is force of gravity? 3. Who was Neil Armstrong? 4. Who was Kalpana Chawla? HOTS questions. 1. Priyanka asked her teacher, what are unidentified flying objects or UFOs? She read in the comic books about UFOs. 2. After visiting a planetarium, Priyanka asked her teacher, why do all the planets look different? Are they made of different substances? Activity. Collect the pictures of astronauts from science journals, newspapers, or the internet. Paste the pictures on your scrapbook. Write their names and 2 lines about them. Life skills. 1. Visit a planetarium in your town. Write about your visit. 2. Organize a project, Night Sky Watch, in your school. For this, you have to request your teacher to contact the planetarium staff in your city or any such organization who can help you with the project. You'll notice a world of amazing things. For example, Saturn, with its bright rings around, really looks amazing.